My relationship with northern Norway has brought me into contact with many different people, and one such is Tore Albrigtsen. He's a dog mushing expert, really. He's an adventurer, he's a mountaineer, he's a wild man. I guess my relationship with him has been to learn from him as much as I can about the mountains and about dog mushing. He's been doing it since he was 6-7 years old, and I guess if you're going to learn, you want to learn from the best. He's someone who I personally hold very highly. So learning from him about how to handle a team of dogs, how to pack a sled, and how to choose a route for a mountain gorge, whether the snow is likely to fall down and create an avalanche. All of these aspects have put me back into that status of being a student again. I love being a member of a team, of working with a team of dogs. The energy that they bring to the event is immense. Dog mushing is about being on a journey. It's about surviving in the mountain wilderness. It's about working with a team of dogs. It's about provisioning an expedition. It's a pragmatic way of being able to journey through a mountain wilderness environment in an Arctic setting. Absolutely love my dog sledding experiences, especially with Tore, because he's a real deal. He takes you to the environments that you really need to explore.